Recently, Sean and I were in Aspen, Colorado, staying at the Little Nell Hotel. This property is known for slopeside 5-star luxury and, little did I know, their homemade Pop Tarts. Pastry Chef Amy Andrews was kind enough to share her recipe with me, and I'm sharing it with you. She says, "We wanted to offer our guests a pastry that could be enjoyed by itself or with everyone at the table. I wanted this pastry to remind people of fun or enjoyment from their past." Seriously, these are some of the most awesome Pop Tarts I've ever had, and I highly recommend you try them out real soon. You can use any fruit you have on hand for this recipe. I happen to have a lot of blueberries, so we're gonna go with that. You can use fresh, frozen, pretty much whatever you've got. What do we have going on here? Oh, someone likes a little extra icing, do ya?
That's the love. Look here. Look here. So you gotta have an extra here.
All right, let's dive into some Pop Tarts. What do you think? People, you will never need store-bought Pop Tarts again. The pastry is buttery and delicious and flaky. Let's check out that blueberry filling, okay? Oh yeah. A big thank you to Little Nell and Chef Amy Andrews for your delicious Pop Tart recipe. I know everyone else out there is going to love it too. So if you don't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post a few times a week and I can't wait to see you back around here.